guys, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Tres Leches Jello that I know you guys are really going to love, and it's perfect for this warm weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start first preparing my silicone mold. Of course, you could use any type of mold you have at home. I'm using the spray, the non-stick spray. You could use vegetable oil and add a little bit, and with the paper napkin, just wipe all around. The reason that we're adding this so that the jello comes out perfectly fine. I have 3 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin. To this, I am going to add 1.5 cups of very cold milk. You want to make sure that the milk is nice and cold. So when you add the unflavored gelatin, it's going to start getting hydrated. You want to make sure that there's no lumps, and you gradually add your unflavored gelatin into the milk. I'm going to mix very well, and if I see there's a lot of lumps, I'm going to go ahead and start switching up, not using the spoon but using a whisk, making sure that there's no lumps at all. This part is very important. You want that the gelatin gets nice and hydrated, but you want to make sure there's no lumps in the milk. So here I'm just mixing away, mixing very good, making sure that there's no clumps. And of course, the gelatin is already getting nice and thick. It's blooming really fast, and that's exactly what you want. Let me show you with the spoon how this looks. It's okay if it looks like that. There's no big lumps in there. It's getting hydrated. This is ready. What we're going to do is just put it aside, let it rest until the gelatin is bloomed completely. And here I have the evaporated milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. I'm going to use 1 can of condensed milk. Any brand is fine. And here I'm going to use my little gadget. This is going to help me open the can, and at the same time, I could reuse the can if I want to make some delicious muffins. With this little gadget, it opens the can, and at the same time, the edges of the can are nice and smooth. So what does that mean? You could still use the can, you wash it, you disinfect it, and then you could even make some muffins out of the condensed milk cans. I know, recycling. I totally understand. There's people that like to recycle. There's people that don't like to recycle. But if you don't have molds to make your muffins, well, this is a great little advice that you could do. Well, now I took the top off. Now I'm ready to add the milk inside. I'm adding the evaporated milk, and then I'm going to add the whole can of the condensed milk. It seems like if it's going to be too much, but to tell you the truth, it's not going to come out that sweet. It's just going to come out perfect. This Tres Leches Jello always comes out amazing. And please don't forget to add your vanilla extract or your vanilla paste. I love using vanilla paste because you could see the little seeds right on the top of the jello when it's done. And let me tell you, the aroma the vanilla paste is so penetrated that if there would be a cologne, a perfume, something that I could wear like a vanilla, oh my gosh, I would be wearing it every day. I love this aroma of the vanilla extract. While this is done, I want to show you how the milk looks Look how thick this became. That's exactly how you want it. I'm going to take it to the microwave. I am going to dissolve it really good in 15, 30 increments and making sure that it dissolves and it looks like just milk. Just like that. Once you have it like this, you are ready to incorporate into the rest of the milks. But before you incorporate it, make sure that you're whisking it. You want to really incorporate it very good. Add it slowly so that you incorporate it very good into the condensed and evaporated milk. I am going to mix very well, making sure that it's nice and incorporated. Once this is done, we are ready to pour into a mold. The mold that we prepared earlier in the beginning of the video. Let me tell you, if you like and you love these ingredients, I am sure you're going to love this jello, Tres Leches Jello. Well, here, let me show you. I am ready to pour it into the prepared mold, and I am going to leave it overnight. You could leave it in the mold in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours, but to tell you the truth, I just love leaving it overnight. So the next day, I am ready to enjoy this amazing and delicious Tres Leches Jello. I'm going to cover it so it doesn't absorb any flavors of the refrigerator. Okay? The next day, I'm sorry I didn't flip the camera. I am going to unmold this amazing jello. Look at this. Look how easy it is when you use silicone molds. Well, here I am ready to pull it apart. It's not sticking at all, and I know it's going to come out perfect. The design on the mold is just amazing. Let me show you. Look how beautiful this came out. I can't wait to dig in. I don't want to even slice it because it looks gorgeous. Look how beautiful this looks. You could see the little seeds right on the top. The vanilla paste, you could really see it on the top. I am sure that it's going to taste so, so delicious. My friends, if I could make this amazing Tres Leches Jello, you could make it too. You could enjoy it with your beautiful family. And this is the time to enjoy it. It's getting nice and warm. Why not enjoy a homemade Tres Leches Jello? I am ready to taste it. I can't wait to enjoy. And I'm ready for the presentation. Look how beautiful this looks. Those little spots, brown spots you see on the top, it's a vanilla paste. I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with this amazing Tres Leches Jello. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So creamy. This is a perfect dessert for this hot weather. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing Tres Leches Jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.